So here our today's question is the type of isomerism shown by the complex COCl2 bracket En2. So the type of isomerism shown in this complex is the geometrical isomerism. This complex shows the cis and trans isomerism. In the cis form, the Cl ligands are adjacent to each other and the two En ligands are adjacent to each other. So let me make a diagram for you. So CO, Cl, again we get a Cl here. Then we have the ENs like this. So here if you see it directly, this is the cis form. And for the trans form, just the position of these two will change. In the trans form, these two ligands, the Cl ligands are opposite to each other and the En ligands are also opposite to each other. Thank you.